If you want to clear the cache of an app, usually all you have to do is long tap the app icon, then open the app info. After that, go to the storage section. Then tap the Clear Cache button. And you're done. You have successfully cleared the cache of the app. However, this method is not effective if you want to delete the cache from all apps, because you have to do it one by one. For that, I recommend a great app that can clean all app caches at once in one click. Its name is Zero Cleaner. You can install it for free on Google Play Store. Open the app. Then allow all the permissions that the app requires. Then tap Analyze. And all the app caches and their sizes will be displayed. Next, tap Clear. Then select Automatic Mode. Tap Start. And grant accessibility permission for this app to work optimally. Repeat the steps as before. And now Zero Cleaner will work to delete all app caches automatically. Just wait for a few minutes. And done. That's how to clear all app cache on Android phone at once, in just one click. Easy, right? Thank you for watching.